In this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on YouTube. So what we can do is go to YouTube. Now there's two ways you can do this. The first way is you can go on the search bar at the top right-hand corner and go ahead and click on YouTube Playables. And what that's going to do is it's going to load up the YouTube Playables, and you can actually go click on the YouTube Playables first search result, and it's going to bring you to the actual official page. But if you don't remember to do that, what you can do is let's go back to home and let's hit the icon that's below the YouTube logo at the top left-hand corner, and that's going to give you a lot of menu options here, and you can just go to the bottom where it says Playables, and it's going to bring you to the same spot. So once you're here, it's really easy to do. So you can just go through and browse and pick any kind of game that you want to play. You can go into the new tab and find new games that they may have released over a certain amount of time and play games like that. You can go into a homepage of the Playables and just go through and play any game that you want. These are all free. These are all free to play as much as you want, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and play games on YouTube, and especially because they're free to play. So that's it.